Hey guys, SKYZONE here. Yep, back at the marina, different day, same picture. However today, I'll put a larger battery on my CRUX, which sports the fantastic HD0 setup. Check it out here guys, plenty of videos, plenty of reviews, tech specs all online, plenty of videos on this. Smash on that thumb, smash on that subscribe for lots more HD0 and also some new awesome Walksnail avatar videos coming up soon. Today, my goal is to get right on top of that hill there, past those trees, and I'm going to really push this CRUX to the limit, more so than normal. And there's a car coming. Another day, another car. So as I was saying before I was really interrupted, I've amped this up to the maximum kilowatts. Previously I was on 25, now I believe it's on, I can't actually remember. I've got too many quads. I'm pretty sure it's either 350 or 450. It'll be on the screen for you guys. Look, anyway, maximum output for this HD0 CRUX 35 freestyle. Let's go up in the sky. Let's try and clear those hills over there. Be a good kilometre and a half away. Radio of choice, folks. Yeah, trusty Radio Master TX16S with my 1 watt BETAFPV TX on the back. SKYZONE 04X's, really nice picture. If you want to get into the HD market, either Walksnail Avatar or the CRUX HD, yeah, these are the goggles. They give you the best of both worlds, guys. You've got analog and you've got digital. Technology is just getting better day by day, so really exciting time. Enough chit chat, let's go. Make sure nothing's going to fall apart. You can hear some rocks crashing behind me. There's someone there. He's right there. Hopefully he's friendly. I hope that person knows there's a camera to my right facing out, so they don't want any audio recorded on. Anyway, let's get going before we run out of power. 3.95 volts at the moment. I've put a larger 5S battery on. 200 milliwatts, I haven't used this CRUX 35 with 200 milliwatts yet. So I'm hoping it's going to have a nice clear run for that break up. Can't tell you the exact distance, but I'll say it's 1.5. I can hear an aeroplane. Lift quality is looking down to 5. 5 and 8. Reach the top of that hill. Immediately 3.88 volts. Power something very nice to slow. Starting to break up a little bit. I won't go to the other side of that hill, but there's our tree we want to get to, so it's really easy. Side. Vibration from the controller. Yeah, 2.5 kilometres, I'm sort of right down there at that point. I know I'm just going to drop off a bit as I turn around. The antenna does tend to face the other direction and there's a bit of RSSI. The quality's still good. I'm really going to explore these cliff tops before we head back down. Cave there. Get close to that cave. Move around a bit. Let's see if I can get some close. Latency is really good with this HD0, guys. Really good. Allows you to do some really slow moving. Providing good quad lecture, of course. A little goat track there. Oh, right on top of that point. That's decent. Really good picture too. Also, I'm running the patch antennas on the front, so you do need to sort of guess where your quad is, otherwise you will lose signal quite easily. Let's of the coastline. Lost a bit of signal there. I'm not sure why. All that power's dropping out of it. Okay, just I think I went behind the little mound there and completely dropped out. Get a bit closer to me, Joey. Down signal, quality 7, dropped down as low as 5. So now. That's a pleasant change from the analog that I'm used to flying. Really looks like a nice view around, nice colours. 3.7 volt. Start from back. And there's the CRUX. Here's the thumbnail. Beautiful. Landing. Let us know what you think in the comments. I think that's fantastic. Went right up over those hills over there. A little bit of drop off and I went over a mound which blocked my fishing completely, so that's expected. Otherwise, yeah, great stuff. HC0. Stand by for that Walksnail gear coming up soon. That's super exciting and a real competitor for HC0, I'm afraid. But anyway, all good. If you want to get into digital, as I said, this is a great setup for you. See you soon. Bye for now.